Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup routine with my best friend. I'm going to go ahead and answer some questions. No, he is not a pit bull or anything. He's just a chihuahua.
Sure.
He has naturally curly hair. We straightened it for the video. And no harming animals. I like taming the hair. So I'm just going to comb his hair. We're going to do a slick back today. Good job, Petey. He loves slick backs. Like it. I'm going to go in with some underpainting, which is going to be using our bronzer. So we're just going to really get these cheekbones. And you can never forget about the nose. Petey, what's wrong? Peterson! I'm just going to come to you. Now we're going to do some concealer using Kosas. Okay. Come here, Bobby. Hey, no, don't hit with them near each other. We'll fight them.
Bella. Petey, it's okay.
The eyes. Cannot forget the other side. And so I'm just going to blend it in with our hands. Okay. Now it's time for blush. I'm going to start off with the Say blush. Right here and right here. And a little bit on the nose. Very pretty. Right on the nose. Lashes.
Maybe skip that step.
Okay. Oh, so pretty. Now we're going to do some heatless curls just to while we're doing like the rest of the makeup. Yes.
Petey.
Oh, yes. So luscious. So you mind if I just fix that? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Juicy.